Is it time to buy or sell ADiTx Therapeutics stock? In this video, we will explore ADiTx Therapeutics in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 19th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest analysis. You definitely do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 17th of March, 2025, our system has ranked ADiTx Therapeutics as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 129.52% since we first advised purchasing ADiTx Therapeutics 3 days ago. This results in an average return of approximately 43.17% per day since it was designated as hold accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system foresees significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the recent developments, we are unable to ascertain the stock's next direction, as it has the potential to move in either direction. The stock has broken through a very wide and strong rising short-term trend, indicating an even stronger rate of increase ahead. Should there be any pullback, there will now be support at the level of $2.09, a point that may offer a second opportunity for substantial gains. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 1,148.07% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between negative 85.12% and positive 160.11%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 99.89%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 100% and negative 100.11% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and negative 0.0111. Our latest daily update for ADiTx Therapeutics includes the headline: significant movements in ADiTx Therapeutics Inc. stock price on Wednesday, fluctuating 52.61% between high and low. The ADiTx Therapeutics stock price experienced an increase of 33.73% on the last trading day, rising from $7.50 to $10.03. This marks the third consecutive day of gains. It will be intriguing to see whether this upward trend continues or if the stock takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated 52.61%, with a daily low of $8.06 and a daily high of $12.30. The price has increased in 5 of the last 10 days and has risen by 16,785.52% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume decreased on the last day by 43 million shares, with a total of 48 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $478,750,000. It is important to consider that declining volume amid rising prices can indicate divergence, potentially serving as an early warning of upcoming changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $218, while the lowest was 2 cents. Currently, the price is 95.40%, or $207.97 below the 52-week high, and 100%, or $766,389.97 below the all-time high on August 6, 2020, when the price reached $766,400. Aditxt Incorporated has recently garnered attention with several important developments. On the 18th of March, the company announced the submission of 4 new funding proposals totaling $117,500,000 for review. This move is anticipated to enhance liquidity and support ongoing projects. This initiative is in line with modifications received from a U.S. Air Force cooperative agreement, which has extended the outside date for its going private transaction to the 31st of March, 2025. Earlier in the week, Aditxt revealed the launch of a weekly update series beginning on the 21st of March, to keep investors informed about corporate progress and strategic milestones. This initiative is likely to bolster investor confidence and enhance transparency, potentially stabilizing its stock price in the short term. Additionally, the company executed a 1-for-250 reverse stock split effective on the 17th of March, aimed at increasing the share price and attracting institutional investors. This bold move can impact trading volumes and market perception, influencing the stock's volatility. On the innovation front, Aditxt subsidiary, ADiTx, is preparing for significant clinical trials for its drug candidates targeting various autoimmune diseases. This advancement could generate optimistic projections and excitement among investors. In the longer term, the initiatives involving funding proposals and advancements in clinical trials may indicate substantial growth potential for Aditxt, potentially driving the stock price up based on investor sentiment and market responses to corporate updates. However, the outcomes from these funding submissions and clinical trials will ultimately determine the trajectory of the company's financial health. Analysts have assigned ADiTx Therapeutics stock a general strong sell rating. They have evaluated the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for ADiTx Therapeutics. The stock of ADTX Therapeutics Inc. presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at the levels of $3.15 and 69 cents. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 14th of March, 2025, and thus far, the stock has risen by 49,800%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. It is worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some additional signals that may be of interest to you. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 63 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 4 days ago. When reviewing the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 3 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for ADiTx Therapeutics. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under the right conditions, the stock may perform very poorly in the next few days. This stock could experience significant movement throughout the day, demonstrating high volatility, and given the large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is deemed to be very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $4.24 between its high and low, which represents a change of 52.61%. For the past week, its daily average volatility has been 51.21%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for ADiTx Therapeutics, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and could signal risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 14th of April, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for ADiTx Therapeutics. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upwards swiftly under favorable conditions. In this case, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine your exit point. Conversely, there is no notable support from accumulated volume below, suggesting that the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain circumstances. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such situations. The combined average rating for ADiTx Therapeutics, derived from multiple analyst sources, is categorized as a strong sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 16th of October, 2024, when HRT Financial Limited Partnership executed an insider sale of 25,534 shares of Class A shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $9.78, reflecting a decrease of 2.52%. This stock experiences significantly high daily fluctuations, which introduces a considerable level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 99, further elevating the risk factor. However, a buy signal was identified from a pivot bottom that occurred 3 days ago. Is ADiTx Therapeutics stock a good buy? ADiTx Therapeutics, Incorporated, presents several positive indicators. However, we do not regard these signals as sufficient for a buy recommendation at this time. Currently, it would be more prudent to consider it a hold or accumulate position while we await further developments. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 20th of March, we anticipate that ADiTx Therapeutics will open higher by 10 cents, starting at $10.13. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.